BrandPearhead. ColorWhite. Product dimensions 9.5 L by 0.75 W. ShapeSquare. Mounting type wall mount, tabletop. Frame type beveled. Show off your baby's first ultrasound photo in this adorable photo frame and forever cherish this moment. Includes a hanger for easy wall mounting and an easel to display on any tabletop, desk or shelf. Hand-finished wooden frame with acid-free beveled mat stamped with "Coming soon" in silver. Capture the moment and share the love. Use the hashtag #MyLittlePearhead for a chance to be featured on Pearhead's social media pages. Frame dimensions 9.5 WX 9.5 H by 0.75 D. Photo insert 4 inches W by 3 inches H. There's no feeling like seeing your bundle of joy for the first time. Pearhead Sonogram frame lets you display your baby's sonogram photo in this classic hand-finished wood frame. Acid-free beveled mat protects your precious sonogram photo so that it lasts a lifetime. Includes the phrase "Coming soon" stamped in silver just beneath the precious sonogram. Includes a hanger for easy wall mounting and an easel to display on a tabletop. Frame dimensions 9.5 WX 9.5 H by 0.75 D. Photo insert 4 WX 3H. Top reviews from the United States. Cute little frame. Perfect frame for your first ultrasound picture.